I was going to try to vlog about organizing. Why did I think I could do that? I'm terrible at it. I make superb videos like this one. It's happening. I've started decluttering my paint supplies. I know you're probably not very excited, but I am. It's because it's hot. When we move, I am gonna work inside because there's a room. It's supposed to be an office, but it's open on two sides. Can't believe I'll be there in 2 weeks. So anyway, I need to be decluttering in the house. Of course, I'm decluttering my paint stuff. My problem is that movers will not take latex paints with them. I guess it could be flammable. I don't know. Because you know, I'm a chalk type paint girl. But latex still comes in handy for a lot of things. This makes me want to sing, but I'm not going to do it because it's too hot. They're so cute. I forgot all about them. That's the thing when you're decluttering. You find some stuff that you forgot you had from old brushes that I'd already used with the paint on there and let them harden and hung them on the wall in my old studio. So those are exciting. This would make a good cover photo. The very first thing I pulled out of this thing was this. And I'm like, no, this is 3/4 full. I'm not gonna throw this away. I don't wanna give it away. It's my signature color. Signature color. My hot pink, she paints pink. Now, I wanna do something with it. I wanna paint all the things. Hot pink piano would be too much, wouldn't it? I used to get a lot of samples from my sweet clients when I did a lot of custom work. When I was done with the job, they would say, oh, did you want these? We won't be using these. And I would say, yes, please. So I have a ton of those. So I need to go through those. Right now this one, I'm shaking it. It's barely moving, so I can pitch it. I don't see my husband saying, sure, bring all the gallons of latex paint with us in the car across the country. It'll be fun. A gorgeous color. What is this? Pewter cast. Can you guys see that? There. Can you see that color? It's fabulous. It's gonna be harder than I thought. This is not helpful at all. So far, I have to keep that one. Look at it. Ah, it's this gorgeous. Oh, what's it called? I'm way too old to be wearing sort of a radish head thing, but I cannot with the heat in here. I keep this, and I want to keep that. Okay, this looks like a taupe, one of those that looks too purple. So I'll donate that one to the Goodwills. Actually, Habitat for Humanity Restore. A nice gray, look. It's nice. Brown mustard, like spicy brown mustard. Delicious, but I won't. I'm from 2010. 8 years? Okay, so this is actually staying the dark walnut, which I was always partial to. But what if I can stain something real quick? Maybe I'll stain that. Oh, this is by Rust-Oleum. It's called Chalked. Stores, big home improvement stores, are finally admitting chalk type paint. It's a thing. Natural bonding thing anyway is plaster and chalk. A naturally bonding thing, so it makes sense. They're figuring it out. Anyway, I'm gonna throw this away. Put this over the top of chalk paint. Seashell, it's delicious. Look, can you guys see? I can tell there's a good half thing in here. Sorry, it's staying with me. I gotta keep this for something. Just empty. All right, trash. There's the trash. This, they won't move with this. This is Watco Danish oil finish. My mom gave this to me. She's had it, but that means probably used it in 1970 something. I feel like it's highly flammable and probably very dangerous, so I think I might ought to get rid of it. If I dump it out on the ground, are the green people gonna come get me? Check with your Lowe's, Home Depot's places. They have the oops section marked way down because it's a custom color. A really pretty kind of duck egg blue. Ooh, you can see that from there. It's full. It is full. What would I do with it though? I could paint one heck of a wall with it. This is an oops because it says oops right there. It's full. It was $2. Look at that. This is Riverway. One of my favorite colors is green. It's like a blue green. Let's see, look. I love it. I'm keeping it. I gotta take it with me. It's nice. Very messy, very delicious though. What can I stain before we go? I'm not kidding. I want to keep all the paint. At this creamy, buttery yellow. Can you see? Oh, my full gallon. So that decluttering went well. Step one of the decluttering of the She Paints things not going super well. But the brushes will be easy, not flammable. Yeah, they are. Explosive. They'll take these with them in the boat. I almost said in the boat because we're going overseas. There's this. It's hot. It's hot. I gotta get out of here. I just lost my train of thought completely. Train of thought derailed completely. Jumped right off the track. That's a funny analogy. Okay. Ooh. Okay, anyway, it's too hot for this, Kristen.